Good day everyone, I'm Christina Cassandra David, BSTM1 Block 3 in UCU, discussing fire hazard in NSTP2. So fire is the most dangerous to play with. It can cause a lot of damage, worse, it can cause of death. What causes the fire to ignite? It could be uncared of electrical, candles, appliances, smoking, or even in cooking. So we have different types of fires. First, Class A fire. So designation symbol is a green triangle. Involve ordinary combustible materials like paper, wood, and rubber. Most of the times, this type of fire is effectively quenched by water or insulating by other suitable chemical agent. Class B fires designation symbol is a red square. Mostly involve flammables liquid like gasoline, oils, greases, and flammable gases. Dry chemicals and carbon dioxide are typically used to extinguish this fire. Class C fires designation symbol is a blue circle involved like live electrical equipment like motors, generators, and other appliances. For safety reasons, non-conducting extinguishing agents such as dry chemicals or carbon dioxide are usually used to put out these fires. Class D fires designation symbol is a yellow decagon. Involve combustible metals such as magnesium, sodium, lithium. Sodium carbonate, graphite, like that, and salt-based chemicals extinguish these fires. So class K fires like in cooking appliances that involve combustible cooking media like vegetable, animal oils, and fats. So below there is a fire triangle. The triangle illustrates the three elements a fire needs to ignite, like heat, fuel, and then oxygen. The fire extinguishes by removing any one of the elements in the fire triangle. So there are ways to avoid fire hazard. First, unplug items you are not using. So excess electricity flowing through items in your home can always be a potential of fire hazard. Things like computers, TV, game system, and a whole lot of more use of electricity even when they are not on. The continuous electricity that flowing into them provides them with a source for a fire as well. By unplugging this source of hazard, you can decrease the chance of restarting it. Next is never leave flames unattended. If you're cooking, lighting candles, or using any other type of flames or excessive heat, make sure to keep an eye on it. By keeping an eye on these types of flames, you can recognize quickly if there's a problem or if they aren't the way they are supposed to be. So that means you'd be able to take care of the problem quickly. So keep flammable items away from heat. Flammable items like fabrics, papers, or even hair should always be kept away from excessive flame or heat. As we know, they are easily get burned. Worse, they are the mostly cause of fire here in the Philippines. Keep oils and gases away from flames and sparks. If you keep cooking oil in your kitchen, you want to keep it away from the stove or anything that could potentially spark and cause a fire. The same goes for gas. We know that these are also the source of fire, so we should separate them and distance away from anything that could react with them. So we should have a escape plan in case this happens. We could join or volunteer to be trained by the fire department near you so you have the right knowledge when this hazard happens. If your clothes catches fire, do the dance thing like stop, drop, and roll. So stop what you're doing, drop to the ground and cover your face if you can, and roll over and over or back and forth until the flames go out. Running will only make the fire burn faster. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Keep safe.